Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Knowing your 401k balance is so important for your financial well-being. It helps you track your progress towards retirement goals, giving you a clear picture of how your hard-earned money is performing. Regularly checking in can also highlight opportunities for adjustments, ensuring you are always on the right track. Staying informed about your retirement savings empowers you to make smarter decisions for your future. The quickest way to check your 401k balance is usually through your provider's online portal. Most companies, like Fidelity or Vanguard, offer a secure website where you can log in with your unique username and password. Once inside, your current balance is almost always prominently displayed on the main dashboard, giving you instant access to your account details. It's designed to be straightforward and very user-friendly. If you prefer, or if you don't use the online portal, you can always check your balance through traditional methods. Your 401k provider typically sends paper statements to your home address every quarter or year. These documents detail your balance, contributions, and investment performance. For direct assistance, you can also call your plan administrator. Their contact information is usually found on your statements. They are there to help with any questions. While the total balance is important, don't stop there. Take a moment to review your contribution amounts, both from you and your employer. Look at your investment performance to see how well your chosen funds are doing. Also, check your diversification and asset allocation. This helps ensure your investments are aligned with your long-term goals and risk tolerance. It's about building a more robust financial future. How often should you check? A good rule of thumb is at least once a quarter. Regular reviews keep you informed about your progress and empower you to make timely adjustments if needed. Many online portals also allow you to set up email or text alerts for significant changes, like new contributions or market fluctuations. Taking just a few minutes regularly can make a big difference in your long-term financial success. It's truly a simple habit with great rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.